Hi, it's Paul Turner again, talking about Home Business Academy, and in this video, it's about the Home Business Academy results. So, I don't flip companies a lot, okay? And if I do, it has to be for a good reason. And the Home Business Academy was to build my recurring income, money that comes in whether I work or not. It has a fantastic compensation plan. So, and to just let you know, a lot of people, they jump from company to company. I was with one company for nearly 7 years, and the Home Business Academy has been going around, I think, since 2015, 2016. We'll have a look in a minute. So their results in terms of, on the internet, how many times have you seen, would you wish you were at the start of Microsoft, this company's this, and within 6 months, a year, the company's gone, right? Home Business Academy online to be around since 2015, 16 is incredible. I think it's that long. We'll have a look. So anyway, but in terms of results, if somebody contacts me from one of my videos or social media posts and they say, one question you get asked a lot is, well, how are you doing? What are the results? How's it work? And what people don't realize is it doesn't really matter what my results are. Now it does. I'll show you what I can show you, right? But there's reasons why it doesn't matter. One, if somebody makes $1 million, right, with Home Business Academy or any other business, it doesn't mean that you're going to make $1 million, right? Just because you haven't lived their life, you may not have they might have a good following, they might have a lot of contacts, they might have lots and lots and lots of money to spend on ads. You just don't know. And it's very easy to kind of get blindsided by, well, this person's doing great, I'm going to jump on and follow them without knowing the full history. And often you'll see people doing well that have had kind of like 10 years of struggle to get where they are. It took 10 years to be an overnight success or something like that. So what I can tell you is my results, good or bad, whatever you think of them, don't really mean anything for you. All it does mean is that the company's stable, the company's been around a long time, and they've paid out. So what I'll do in this video, I'll talk about their results, I'll talk about my results and what I do to get them, right? Because that's what everybody wants to know. So let's just go and have a quick look at this, shall we? So if I go and share my screen. So here's the Home Business Academy. So because we're talking about results, there's something I want to do. It's not going to let me go to the bottom. 2016, there you go. So yeah, so Home Business Academy's been around since 2016, so that's 8 years. Incredible. All right. Now this page is the affiliate zone. If you go and follow the link in the description, or if there's a link around this video, take you to a website, you can go and you can take a $1 trial. So for $1 or $25 for the funnel builder, and then you get 2 weeks of the premium product for free. So you can take a $1 trial, or you can pay $25 and get your hands on more of the stuff in there. But there are a ton of bonuses I won't go into now, but there are some fantastic bonuses in here, especially if you are new. Go and watch that one, Affiliate Marketing Domination. But even if you're not, go and watch that one. Very good. And you get to keep those even if you try it. That isn't a sales pitch. It's $1. It's fantastic value. I'd be doing myself a disservice if I didn't at least tell you about that. You'll also be in my team. So when we're talking about results, that might be beneficial. You might think so, you might think not. But I want to draw your attention to this. Look, compliance with the FTC. One of the reasons why this company has been around that long is they are very compliant with the FTC. Financial Trade Confederation, is it? I don't know. But basically, online business is getting more and more regulated. And these guys, they play by the rules to make sure that your income is safe. Okay. It's not network marketing, which is good. Most people in network marketing that do really well, it's based on the amount of effort they put in. And I was in a network marketing business and I ended up earning $20 a customer. And a lot of it was from my own effort, right? This, you can earn 120, we can actually earn $128 per customer now with the Home Business Academy. So I wish I'd seen this years ago. So let me just draw your attention to this. The average affiliate. Now just think about the average affiliate. What does the average person do online? Nothing. They go from one business to the next, thinking that that's going to make them money, right? The average affiliate does nothing. So an average affiliate can expect to earn $328 with this business. That's pretty good. I don't want to swear. For full earnings, there's a disclosure there. But the business has paid out over $5 million in affiliate commission so far. And it obviously goes up every week because they pay weekly. So that is that is their results. They've been in business since 2016. They've paid out over 5 million, and an average affiliate can expect to earn $328, right? If you do nothing, you can expect to earn nothing, right? So when you're taking all the affiliates, the average affiliate can earn 328. So as long as you do something, and try and get some traction. If you don't know how to promote, you've got everything you need to promote in there. So that's kind of their results, right? One thing I will always mention on a video, if I can, take 3 seconds. Every Monday night, what is working now? People that are getting results come on and share what they're doing to get results. Again, you can try for 7 days for $1. You can watch the replay if one of your 7-day trials will fall on a Monday, won't it? So so there you go. There's that. Now, what I'll do, I don't want to share cash because that's my business. And again, my results don't mean necessarily your business. But if I go and search here, look, Hot Diggity, that's when you make a sale, you get a message that says Hot Diggity. So a lot of these are recurring incomes. Okay, there are a few new ones, but if you just look at the dates, look, the 31st made a sale, got 1, 2, 2 on the 30th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the 28th, 1, 2, 3 on the 27th. 1, 2, 3 on the 26th, the 25th there, 1, 2, 3, 4, just 1 on the 24th, 1 on the 22nd, 1 on the 21st, the 19th, I made 1, 2, 3 on the 19th, 1, 2, 3, 3 on the 14th, and so on and so on. 13th, 12th, 11th of March, 11th, 10th, 9th, I did quite well on the 9th, the 8th, the 6th, and then you go on to the next page. Which I'll do for you because I can hear some of you going, yeah, but that was that month. Oh, I see. I need to do it there. Sorry, I did it on the wrong bit. The 6th, the 5th, 3 sales on the 5th, 20. Then it was the 29th. So I had a few days there where I didn't do any. Right, start of the month, and it's when I started sharing it. The 29th, and it goes back and it goes back. January. December last year. Look, so how do I do it? That's what you're wanting to know now, right? So here's the thing: people can go and buy the Home Business Academy anyway, right? And what a lot of people do is they go and do videos like this, and people use them for research. But then what they'll probably do is go and join somebody with a bonus, right? So a tip for you is to always add value to what you do. Now, the Home Business Academy, they go way above and beyond to make sure their product is fantastic. But at the end of the day, most people want that little bit more. What can you do for me? What can I get? What can I get? What can I get? Right. So to that end, I have a school community that I've set up. And in the school community, if you don't know, SKOOL, me and a guy called Kevin, we set up this thing called the 74K document. And what happens with the Home Business Academy, if you can just make 1 referral a week on average, right? So you might, if you're new and you're coming in, you might not make anything for the first 3, 4, 5, 6, however many weeks. But then as it catches up, and you can see I'm making multiple sales a lot of days, if you can make an average of just 1 a week over the course of a year and everybody stays, right, that can turn into 74,000. So my intention is to help you do at least 1 referral a week. So to that end, we have the document with a pre-built funnel you can use. We have the document you can use and edit. You just have to put your own picture and your own link in. We did a boot camp to help you get set up. We got how to set up Aweber, and Kevin has supplied great, we're very grateful to him, 90 days worth of email follow-up that you don't have to do, right? Promoting Home Business Academy on the back end. Then there's the done for you funnel training, proven and trusted solo ads. So Kevin has spent a ton of money, and the ones that have given him results in terms of leads and more importantly sales, right? He shared them there, right? So that's what you need there. There's some free tools and stuff that we use to run our business. Then there's the marketplace formula, where you can actually promote on Facebook Marketplace absolutely for free. There's some video promotion. We give you some videos. Some of the group morphed across from a Forex group I was part of. So we still actually teach Forex. You don't have to do it. But again, no hype, no, nothing like that. It's just straightforward, simple stuff. We call it straightforward Forex. Then And then there's Pinterest if you want to use Pinterest marketing. I need to move that up there actually. So we give good support, we give good bonuses inside this community. And I will leave it at that. So if you want to go and check the link, or if you want to head over to masterplanaffiliates.com. So masterplanaffiliates.com. The master plan is to have money coming in on autopilot and be able to leverage that money and do more things with it. If you want to go and check that out, I'll get an email. I'll get a hot diggity to say you've joined, and I'll send you back by email the same email you used to sign up. I'll get you access to this. So with that said, see you on the next video. Have an awesome day. Well, work out how to stop the screen share, all right? Don't have to be clever to make money online.